So this is one of our sort of flagship models, Edgebanders. And this is 5.5 meters. This is 20 meters a minute feed speed, so it's a proper industrial Edgebander. But we've spec'd our smaller ones to compete with this. Okay, they're only 8 meters a minute feed speed, but all the functions are the same, pretty much. So I'm just going to talk you through some of the functions that they've got on. These bottles here, and at the end, they're for putting cleaning fluids in. Touch screen as well, with predefined presets. That will be the same as on the PE3 that I've quoted you. So obviously you've have your material roller, 2 pre-milling motors, one spinning one way, one spinning the other way to stop breakout on the board. You've got your gluing station. So this is a removable glue pot. Difference on this machine that it's got a top feed pre-melter as well, so you're only heating up a small amount of glue. But even on the PE3, it comes with a changeable glue pot that you unplug. Nice thing about that is that you could have one glue pot. So on this machine, you see there's a spare glue pot there. You could have one glue pot with dark glue in it and one glue pot with light glue in it. Just really trying to get the best glue line as possible. This one's all servo controlled, and the P3 I've quoted you is all manual, so you have to change the dials on the back. This is all done by motors on here, but you get gauges on the back similar to these. This is for the corner rounding unit. So yeah, so you have rough trimming, and you've got fine trimming, and you've got end cutting, and you've got corner rounding. This is dual motor. On the smaller one, it's only a single motor. Then you've got scraping. So we've got a scraping unit in here. These scrapers, sorry, this is a new machine that's just arrived. So here's the lower and upper scrapers. So anything that's been left by the rough trimming and radius scraping, these ones just go across the top and clean the top edge. And then you've got the buffing wheels as well. And in between this section, you can see here the cleaner. So these sprayers, they spray cleaning fluid on before it goes through the buffing wheels to really polish that edge up before it comes out of the machine. One of the other things as well, we've got infrared heating lamp. Again, same on the small one. This will warm up the edge of the panel to make sure that we get a really good bond before it goes through the gluing roller and then through the pressing wheels, because you really want to get that edge stuck on there nice. And if you're edging some cold panels, then the infrared heating lamp is really important. So yeah, that's the Edgebander overview. As I say, sorry I can't show you the small one yet because it hasn't come in, but this the design between both is the same, but obviously feed speed is the big thing, the big difference between the two.